Tanya and I doing practice 9 of our dinghy cruising. So the yachts are ahead of us. We started half an hour later than them. It just takes us sometimes longer than we think to get out, and there was a bit of a queue on the slip. So we are racing to catch them up. Lovely calm day, force 2, the gentle swell. It's amazing how little you can see the swell when you're on the camera, but in real life it's so obvious. Now, an interesting thing here, I wouldn't normally configure myself when the wind is going in this direction. I normally have the sail on this side, but I put the sail on this side and it looks like the wind is catching it, bouncing around, sliding off it, and then catching the edge of the jib and going that way. So I've got both going, and we're going at a fair old lick. I haven't figured out how to reactivate the speed on my GPS. It works sometimes and it doesn't work other times. I don't know what the setting is. They're all clustered around the poo boy there. Is that one gone round already?
Yeah.
Yes. How many's out? So is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boats and 7 including us? It's 5 or 6. And it's a beautiful sight seeing them all close hauled coming round. Okay, we've turned the poo boy and now we are flying along. Some boats to catch up. Beautiful, beautiful boat. Beautiful seeing her sail like that. And now we're approaching Luke. Getting closer.
There it's going.
Turning. He's tacking. He's tacked. Kerry Girl's tacked. We're dead on him. Now we're coming up on zigzag. We snuck ahead of them. Beautiful sight. They're going close.